You know what I really love? Old merchandise. When a brand changes its logo, they can't even give away stuff like this. But you know what I actually bought? A large slot of Oracle computer merchandise off of eBay. Why did I buy this? I guess I just love wasting money. Anyway, let's open up the box and see exactly what we got. This big box of merchandise cost me $25 plus 22 postage, bringing the total to just under $50. For a box of stuff I don't need, I may have spent a bit too much. Also, it may be obvious, but if you add fragile packing tape to the outside of a box, it doesn't mean the post people are going to take care with it. By the time I ended up opening this box, I'd actually forgotten what it's supposed to include, so this is a surprise for me too. On top, we've got a bright red carry bag that includes a very premium feeling leather document holder with blank paper. It might even be made of leather. Next up, we've got another document holder. This one doesn't feel nearly as premium, and underneath that, we've got yet another document holder. This one does actually feel pretty great, but I personally don't have use for such a thing. Can you guess what we've got up next? Yep, that's right, another document holder. For those of you that don't know, Oracle is a multinational computer corporation based in America. Last year they brought in $39 billion in revenue, so they can definitely afford some novelty branded knickknacks. Last of all in the box, we've got 3 decent Oracle branded laptop bags, and one of these contains all the good stuff. The better of the bags has heaps of pockets, and honestly, I might end up using this for one of my own laptops. Digging into the feast of merchandise, we've got a fanny pack, a few quality caps, a red notebook, a CD wallet. Remember CDs? Yeah, those used to be a thing. There's also golf balls, wristbands, a quartet of pens, desk ornaments, and a USB. In hindsight, I know there's nothing on here and the capacity is only 1 GB. So let's take a closer look at some of these Oracle branded items. A photo frame, perfect for up to 2 photos. It's pretty heavy and clearly built really well. This weird thing seems to be for hanging notes on a desk, and it also doubles as a nice paperweight. It turns out that the wristbands are also novelty USBs. Once again, not a very high capacity at only 2 GB, and they don't have any files on them. If you're a fan of pens, then you're gonna love these. They're pens, the things you write with. Half of them are really high quality and all seem to have ink that works. The top 2 might even be worth a few dollars. The next item is a very small and somewhat ineffective magnifying glass. A battery powers the light on the back, but due to age, they're quite dim. Who doesn't like a good swing on the fairway? Yes, these are 3 unused golf balls, all branded with that Oracle logo. I don't think these would have much value, given that a brand new pack is what, $8 maybe? Either way, wear sunscreen when you go outside because I clearly forgot to. This insanely bright red, potentially leather-bound notebook is pretty awesome. The Oracle logo embossed onto the surface is also a really cool touch, although not too surprising given that everything here has that logo on it. Thankfully, it's still blank with lots of pages left for me to not write in as I leave this unused in a drawer for many more years to come. I think everyone can remember a time when they used one of these. Unless you're really young, then you may be wondering what a CD is. The black hat could definitely do with a clean and seems to be yet another golf-related piece of merchandise.
And that's all, folks.
So there we have it, a bunch of old Oracle computer merchandise. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, but I must say, that hat looks pretty sharp. Not that I wear hats that often. But anyway, hopefully you found it at least somewhat entertaining, and I hope you have a good Christmas and a happy new year, because 2020 has been a bit of a roller coaster for many people. Thank you very much for watching. If you've liked the video, feel free to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next year. See you then.